welcome to my channel. I'm Rini and you're watching DIY with Rini. So today I've made a very simple DIY. This DIY can be tried or made by anybody at home, right from kids to adults to your old grandparents at home. And at the same time, what is it? It is nothing but a coconut shell, and I've made two things out of a coconut shell. One is a candle, and you must see how you can reuse candles in this way. And the second is it adds value to my kitchen garden. I made a small pot out of it, and it's just right there, and it looks so nice and vibrant, and it just adds to the beauty. So let's go take a look at that. But before that, I would want to tell you thank you so much for such overwhelming comments about all my videos that I've done until now, and for all those who have actually gone ahead and given it a try. Thank you for sharing all those pictures. It just meant a lot.
Let's pick up a coconut if you haven't stored its shell handy. I'm going to use both sides of the shell, so break it and scoop out all the coconut for your curries. Make sure to use the closed part of the shell for making the candle and the other side for making the pot for our kitchen garden. Next, let's scrape out the rough surface of the shell with a knife. Smoothen it out on both outer and the inner surface. You can go ahead and sand the shell with a sandpaper for a smoother surface. But I just let it be by scraping it with a knife because I wanted the natural and organic look of the coconut shell for both the DIYs. So we are done, and it looks pretty neat now. The surface is all smooth. So let's go ahead and paint it with fabric or chalk paints. I use this blue colored chalk paint and it sort of matches my decor. Paint it evenly and let the first coating dry. This I'm going to randomly paint it with gold paints, and now the shell just looks so amazing. Now for the pot for the kitchen garden, I am just painting it white, and don't forget to line it with another color. It will look like a very pretty decor pot after that. painting it with green, and I think the contrast looks really good, and also because I'm going to Now that we're done with the candle, let's make the plant pot. Stick a small piece of M-seal or POP to the open eye of the shell. This will prevent water seepage from the shell when we regularly water the plant. For the stand, pick any old bottle cap that exactly fits the base of the shell. Fill the shell with some cocoa peat or mud, and that's it. Sow seeds and grow plants, or put some money plant or any indoor plant. This makes a great decor and a beautiful piece for any spot at home, or place it near your kitchen or coffee stations to give a natural glow to the spot. I added some stones to give it a natural look. I hope you all liked both the DIYs. I will also be making 2 more creative things out of a coconut shell, and I'll try to share it as soon as possible in my upcoming videos. Until then, please subscribe to my channel